easy. AI coding lacks the creative control that traditional coding offers. It's more about following patterns and less about thinking out of the box. And while AI can learn from past patterns, it might struggle with entirely new problems that require a novel approach. So, where do we stand? On one hand, we have traditional coding with its creative control, and on the other, we have AI coding with its efficiency and speed, but it's not a competition. It's about synergy. Think of it as a relay race, where the baton is passed from one to the other. Traditional coders can handle complex, novel tasks, while AI can take care of routine, repetitive tasks, thereby speeding up the process and reducing errors. While traditional coding and AI coding each have their strengths and weaknesses, they both have a crucial role in the future of technology. We have looked at the intriguing possibilities of AI writing code for designers and compared it with traditional coding. Now let's recap. The world of coding is changing, with AI stepping in to automate tasks that once required hours of human effort. With AI, designers can quickly generate code, reducing the time spent on manual coding. However, traditional coding still holds its ground, offering a level of precision and control that AI can't match just yet. It's a classic case of speed and convenience versus precision and control. AI coding also presents a promising solution to the skills gap in the coding industry. On the flip side, it raises concerns about job displacement and the ethical implications of AI-generated code. In essence, both AI coding and traditional coding have their benefits and challenges. The key is to strike a balance, leveraging the strengths of both methods. The future of coding may very well lie in the hands of AI. But for now, both traditional coding and AI coding have unique roles to play in the world of design and technology.